Welcome back, real estate enthusiasts, to our video on advanced strategies for rental property analysis. In this episode, we will delve deeper into the intricacies of evaluating rental properties and uncover advanced techniques that will take your investment game to the next level. Successful rental property analysis requires a comprehensive approach. We'll start by exploring the concept of market segmentation. By identifying target rental markets, understanding their unique dynamics, and analyzing demand and supply factors, we can uncover hidden opportunities for higher returns. Next, we'll discuss the concept of portfolio diversification. Building a well-balanced portfolio of rental properties across different neighborhoods or cities can help mitigate risk and increase overall stability. We'll share tips on how to assess the risk-reward ratio and allocate investments strategically. Evaluating the financial performance of rental properties goes beyond simple cash flow analysis. We'll dive into advanced financial metrics such as internal rate of return, IRR, net present value, NPV, and equity buildup. These metrics provide a deeper understanding of long-term profitability and help assess the property's potential for appreciation and wealth accumulation. Another crucial aspect we'll explore is the importance of conducting due diligence. We'll share strategies to conduct thorough property inspections, navigate the legal aspects, and assess potential risks like environmental hazards or zoning regulations. Comprehensive due diligence ensures you make informed decisions and avoid costly surprises down the line. As experienced investors know, market timing is crucial. We'll discuss advanced techniques for analyzing market cycles and identifying optimal entry and exit points. Understanding the macroeconomic factors impacting the rental market can help you time your investments to maximize returns. So, if you're ready to take your rental property analysis skills to the next level and unlock the full potential of your investments, make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch our upcoming video, How to Analyze Market Segmentation. Get ready to transform your real estate investment journey with these advanced techniques and achieve greater success. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of real estate investing. Stay tuned for more insightful content designed to elevate your investment game. Conclusion. Viewers are encouraged to subscribe to the channel and anticipate the upcoming video titled How to Analyze Market Segmentation to gain advanced insights and enhance their rental property investment approach to your success. Thanks for watching.